morning, students. So in the previous video I have told you about website and web pages. So here today I am going to tell you the points regarding the web pages. Actually, if you were making any web page, so in that the thing is that one thing that is text, one is navigational link, one is having the title portion means head portion. So that is the different things. That's why in the previous video I have given you the points regarding the creation of the web page. So if we are making here this type of structure like St. Paul's data, this type of web page we want to create. For that we are going to tell you the programming also. Afterwards, introduction, afterwards any introduction we want to give here, and at last thanks. So this type of web page that is having the quality, that in that we can decide it that which color we have to utilize, which font we can utilize. So different things I have to tell here, and the division of the web pages, that is also here. So today I am going to tell you that you should try for the programming of HTML for creation of the web pages like this web page. So first of all, yesterday also we have told you HTML like HTML. This is the structure of the program. In between you can write anything. Actually, HTML programs or web page, that is divided into two portions. One is head portion, one is document portion. So you can say document portion is that portion in that you can do the things on the page, and at the header portion is at the top of the portion. You can utilize, you can write the title, whatever if you want to you can give in the thing. So here there are two portions. One is head, here head portion, and next is body portion. One is head portion and one is body portion. See, in head portion there are different things that can be given here, but today I am going to tell you the simple things like title. So any title you can give like St. Paul's. So I am going to write here St. Paul's. After that title can be closed. See, it can be closed. Afterwards you are able to do anything in the body portion. So in body portion you can write anything. First thing, see, this is in between of the web page. This is in between of the web page. That's why we have to write the division. So one division, that is center. One tag, that is center. Actually tag is a command. Tag is a command here. So you are taking center. In center, what you want to write? So we want to write here like P. No. One tag we want to write here in between, like font. So any font we can give. As you know, font is nothing special. You know, font is that tag. Through that it can be given that which font, if you want to take, how many size, how much size if you want to take, how many, which style if you want to take. So that can be written in the font tag. So here the attribute we have to use like font type equals to Arial. Font type equals to Arial. After that, any size like 30 or any other thing if you want to give, you can give here. So here the thing is that if you are taking the font, afterwards you can write the St. Paul's theta. St. Paul's theta. Afterwards, we take that should be closed. This is inner tag. So it can be closed here. Afterwards, which tag is here? Font. So font, that should also be closed here. Afterwards, sender. So sender should be closed. The last tag that will be closed, which is open earlier. So that is open, that will be closed last. That tag that it has been opened in the beginning. So in the same series, this type of tag that should be closed. Actually, I am going to tell you the point regarding this. If you are making the points related to this, like center or this thing, here the tag is the command and attribute just like the features or the you can say the different advantages or the different utilizations of that tag that can be written here. So that can be called as an attribute. You can say the name of any person, or you can say you can tell any persons. Afterwards you can tell that he is so and so, he has done this degree or he has completed this point of view. So that is the features. So that is called attribute. Here attribute tag can be used as a main thing. After that, attribute can be utilized to give the features of that thing. So center we can give here. Afterwards, introductions. If you are writing here H1 introduction, later I am going to tell you, I have to tell about H1. Actually, these are the heading tag. So these are the simply they are having the sequence in the opposite meaning. If you are using the H1 means heading 1, so that is boldest text. If you are using H2, it means something that is less, something like less. So here the question is that introductions we have written something, after that any detail, in that you can write anything. You can write anything. Afterwards, P tag that should be closed. P tag that should be closed. Afterwards, if you are making any other things like things, you can write there. So here the point is that if you are making the web page, so that web page is having different things, different features. But if you are making this type of web page, for that it is compulsory that you should practice more and more, so that you are able to make any web pages. Actually, different types of web page is also making here today. Here the simplest type of web page we are making, but we want that any other types of like list type of web page if we want to make. For that it is compulsory that different tags that we have to use. So here the question arises in front of us. If we are making more and more programs, for that it is compulsory that you should do more and more practice. So I am going to give you the question regarding this. Note it down the questions. Student, note down the questions regarding the web page. So in between I am going to tell you the features of web page. If you are making any web page for the purpose of the company or any other things that can also be utilized, you can make your own type of web page, so that can be made. Here the thing is that I have to give the questions. So in the same series I am going to give you the question. Write a program in HTML. Write a program in HTML. Don't think that why we are giving you this type of questions. If HTML that will come, that we will think on that. So don't think so. Actually, these questions as a practical I am giving you the questions. So for that you have to practice more and more, so that you can utilize more time on your computers or as well as on your copies, so that your practical portion that can also be completed. As you know, theory that will come up to 30 marks and 70 marks that will be included as a practical. That's why this type of questions I am giving you. So write the HTML program. In that, one web page that has been created, that should be created about your school. In that, the different features of your school that should be taken out. Now I am going to make the web page See the structure. Sandpose spoon. Any introductions you can write here. Afterwards, you can give the features like computer lab. So about computer lab, you have to tell the things. Here, introduction. Here, computer lab, like science lab. About something, after that the lift, that is also having here. So that type of questions you have to complete as an assignment. So students, you should work hard for this web page. So please note it down the question. You have noted down the questions. So afterwards, the thing is that if you are having the questions, so you should practice more and more. Afterwards, I am going to tell you the points regarding the different things like list, like image. So one program I am going to tell you. So please check this. See. Very simple. I'm telling you the thing like HTML should be closed. So after that, head portion you have to make. Head portion that should also be closed. Afterwards, title you can make here. So in that you are making, suppose that X was there, after that title that should be closed. See, if you have made the title portion, head portion, afterwards the body portion, if you are making, body portion, so in that you are making the list. You are making the list. So that list that can be taken here. Actually, list is the order. List is the order, or you can say the sequence. So sequential programming that can be, or it cannot be. If you are making the sequential programming, for that it is compulsory that here ordered list you have to utilize. If you are making any other things, then unordered list you can utilize. If you want that it should be displayed in the sequence wise, then ordered list we have to take. Otherwise, unordered list you can take. So today I am going to tell you the ordered list. In that there is a sequence like 1, 2, 3. So this type of sequence we want to display. So for that, when time equals to 1, ordered list time equals to 1. Afterwards, ordered list that be closed. Here two things. One is ordered list that has been started, afterwards ordered list that has been closed. Here another tag item list index or list item. Actually list index or list item is that thing in that we have to tell that the list index number. Suppose that I am writing here the name of the student like Aman, and after that list 1 close, and afterwards again we have to write list. So if you are not writing list 1 closed, so don't think so. If you are not giving this, doesn't matter because it is not a container tag. So don't think that if you are not making this, so it will be workable. Afterwards any other name if you want to give, like Aryan. So this type of name can be given here. Li. For our convenience, we can close it so that we are able to understand what is the problem and what is this. So here 1 Aman, 1 Ayush, and 1 is Aryan. So this type of list will be displayed in the back page. So